In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sticky notes in Windows 11. Sticky notes are a simple but powerful way to keep quick reminders, to-dos, and ideas right on your desktop. So let's walk through exactly how to use them from start to finish. First, you'll want to open the Sticky Notes app. On Windows 11, the easiest way is to click on the Start button, then start typing Sticky Notes into the search bar. As soon as you see the Sticky Notes app appear in the results, go ahead and click it to open. If it asks you to sign in with your usual Windows account, you can do that so your notes sync across devices. But you can also skip that and continue without signing in if you prefer. When Sticky Notes opens for the first time, you'll usually see a small home window. This is like your notes dashboard. From here, you can see all your existing notes in a list. To create your first note, look for the plus icon, usually in the top left corner of this window, and click it. A small sticky note will pop up on your screen. You can click directly inside that note and start typing. Use it for reminders, a quick shopping list, a phone number, or anything you want to remember. The note will automatically save as you type, so you don't have to worry about losing anything. If you want more notes, just repeat that process by clicking the plus icon again. Each new note will appear as its own little window that you can move around your desktop. To reposition a note, click and hold the top bar of the note, then drag it anywhere you like. This is handy if you want to keep certain reminders near the edge of your screen so they're visible but not in the way. You can also resize a note if you need more space. Move your mouse to a corner or edge of the note until you see the resize cursor. Then click and drag to make it larger or smaller. This lets you keep long lists in one note and short reminders in another. When you no longer need a note, you can close it by clicking the small X in the corner of the note window. The app may ask you to confirm that you want to delete it, just to prevent accidents. Confirm, and that note will be removed from your list. That's all you need to get started using Sticky Notes in Windows 11 for simple, effective desktop reminders.